Hi, my name is Srishti and we're from the team of Lumos Veritas. So today we'll be talking about sedition. For the past month or so, newspapers, magazines have been flooded with reports of something called the Sedition Law. So what is the Sedition Law? To understand this, let's talk about the meaning of the word sedition. In simple language, sedition refers to any sort of actions or speech that incite other people to rebel against authority. Now, this authority can be the government, it can be the state, or it can be a monarch. So, any speech or action which incites other people to rebel against authority is sedition.
Now, let's relate it to legality. As you might have already figured out, sedition is illegal for obvious reasons. It propagates rebellious behavior towards the government or regime. This creates a very difficult situation for these institutions to diffuse. No one likes rebels going against them, and that is why sedition is not appreciated.
Now, let's talk about sedition in context to India. Section 124A of the Indian Penal Code talks about sedition in India. It was drafted by Thomas Babington Macaulay in 1870. Yes, it is that old. The law states that whoever, by words either spoken, written, or by visual representation, attempts to bring into hatred or contempt towards the government established by law in India shall be imprisoned for life, or they shall be imprisoned for up to 3 years with a fine.
Now, why is this law getting so much heat of late? Various petitions have been filed in the Supreme Court questioning the relevance of the sedition law in today's times. A hearing that was scheduled for the 12th of July was filed by two journalists, Kanhaiyalal Shukla and Kishore Chandra Vankham, in the Supreme Court. This hearing was adjourned by the Supreme Court because they needed an additional 2 weeks, despite having been given a notice on the 30th of April. And this is why it is a popularly held belief that this law must be abolished.
Now, how did the government respond to all of this? The court said that unless there is a tendency of disorder or violence against the government, the charges of sedition cannot be upheld. In simple terms, the charges of sedition can only be upheld when there is a solid tendency to incite violence against the government. Now, the petitioners and others on this side have criticized this because of the word tendency. It is a highly subjective term, and the government can use this according to whatever suits them.
Now, is this law really unconstitutional? Do we still need colonial era laws like these in today's world? In our opinion, every country needs laws like these to retain its power and ensure that there is no unneeded disruption or disorder, as every rebellion is not noble. Other than that, laws such as these also act as instruments for corruption, as collateral damage, which can sometimes suppress freedom.
We hope you liked our video and learned something along the way with us. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and we'd love to hear your views, feedback, and your suggestions as well. So you can leave your comments down in the comment box, or you can follow us on Instagram at the rate Lumos Veritas. We hope to see you again soon. Bye.